Hey guys, Kathleen here. I just want to say hello. I'm so glad you're here. The crew is running around here somewhere. They send their love and say hello. But I am interrupting today's regularly scheduled program to let you know that my new music video is releasing tonight. You guys, if you remember episode 39, you were the ones to actually hear the song for the first time because you guys got to see the whole situation of us recording the video, the craziness that happened, the drone getting stuck in the tree and all that stuff. And it was, honestly, it's one of my favorite videos. I cry every single time I watch it because it's such a powerful ending and just the reminder of God's goodness. So if you enjoyed that, if you enjoyed the song, I really want you guys to see the whole thing and how it came out. And it feels so good to finally have it done, and I'm so excited to release it. And my prayer is that it will go in and minister to the hearts of people all across this nation and this world. We've been going through so much between the shootings and the fires and the craziness, the devastation of the hurricane a few weeks ago. I have so many friends that are dealing with major sicknesses. God is going to see us through no matter what. I'm just believing this song to be a real on-time word for His people now, and just to remind us to praise through it, that though the circumstances can seem so crazy, we will believe and know He will carry us through that. So anyway, I just hope it's an encouragement to you, a blessing to you. Please share it with someone that needs to hear it tonight or this week or whenever you want to share it. But I pray it ministers to you. And don't forget to subscribe. So I'll put the info down in the description box below, so you can click there. And we love you guys. We thank you so much for your love and support. It means more to us than you'll ever know. And we have many more crazy adventures to come your way. So I gotta get to my other channel because we get a release going on. So come on over with me and write a comment. Let me know how you like it. And we appreciate you so much. We thank you for your love, your prayers, your support. I send all my love from me, from Brett, from the boys. You guys are the best. Thank you for watching. See you soon.